Place handles on installation platform and connect them with connector. Fix the ladder and the connected handle with bolt end. The order of bolts from outside to inside is washer, ladder gasket, washer, nut. Place teak wood board with back facing upwards in the groove of ladder and handles and secure the board to the ladder with fixing pieces and bolts. Connect the other end of the rope to the safe handle with screws and washers. Place assembled ladder in installation area. Adjust installation position to ensure that the ladder can be folded and extended. Mark installation hole. Drill holes according to the marked positions. Place the assembled ladder in the installation area, align it with the holes, and tighten the screws to secure it. Installation completed. Test whether the ladder can be extended and folded normally.